Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sirisha. So in our today's video, I'll be presenting how to make notes for preparation and quick revision and how to present answers effectively in exams. Okay, so coming to our topic today, that is 5th Poshan Pakwada, which is celebrated from 20th March to 3rd April 2023. So every year in the month of March, it is celebrated for 15 days. And what is Poshan? PM's overarching scheme for holistic nourishment, and the nodal ministry for implementing this program is Ministry of Women and Child Development. Okay, so the theme for 2023 is Nutrition for All, Together Towards a Healthy India. So what is the main focus? So we all know that recently there was a millet conference, right, which has happened in New Delhi. So this Poshan Pakwad will be popularizing this Shri Anna, that is millets, which is a valuable asset to address malnutrition in India. So Ministry of Women and Child Development aims to raise awareness about importance of nutrition and promote healthy eating habits through Jan Andolan. Okay, so that is creating awareness among individuals and also uh, behavioral change in individual as well as in the community. So Jan Andolan and Jan Bhagidari during this portion Akwada. So Ministry of Women and Child Development will raise awareness, create awareness among individuals and also in communities. So the main activities during this Poshan Pakwada will focus on promotion and popularization of Shri Anna, that is millets, for nutritional well-being. So they'll conduct some camps, diet consultation camps, and they'll do home visits, and also they'll try to link millet-based foods as supplementary nutritions. Okay. Then celebration of Swasth Balak Sparda, that is healthy child competition. This is like this they will celebrate and recognize a healthy child based on defined criteria. So it will build a healthy spirit in mothers for taking care of the child and which will help for good nutrition, good health, and well-being of the child. Next, popularize Saksham Anganwadis. So, Anganwadis are the main centers at block levels where they deliver all these services like nutrition-based services or childhood care and also education. So, campaigns will be organized to increase awareness and popularize these Anganwadis with upgraded infrastructure and other additional facilities. So these are the main key themes that are being focused under this Poshan Pakwada program. Now let's look into background details of this Poshan Abhiyan. It was launched on 8 March 2018, that is on the occasion of International Women's Day. Poshan Abhiyan is to reduce malnutrition through a life cycle concept, adopting a synergized and result-oriented approach. So the Pakwada aims to raise awareness about the importance of nutrition and promote healthy eating habits through Jan Andolan and Jan Bhagidari. Okay, so they want a behavioral change individually as well as in the community for the success or to meet the objectives of this Poshan Pakwada. Okay, so we also have this Poshan Ma. We have learned in this video that in the month of March for 15 days this Poshan Pakwada program will be organized. In the same way, in the month of September, it is celebrated as Rashtriya Poshan Mah, that is the month for Poshan. Okay, so this is about Poshan Pakwada. Now, let us see how to make notes on this current topic. So guys, you can see here that I've presented all the data related to this Poshan Abhiyan in one single page. Okay, so this Poshan Abhiyan also known as National Nutrition Mission. So don't get confused. Poshan Pakwad or Poshan Abhiyan or National Nutrition Mission. So when it was launched on 8 March 2018, that is on the occasion of International Women's Day. You can use short forms while you are preparing notes for your daily revision and daily preparation and quick revision. Okay, then which is a nodal ministry? Ministry of Women and Child Development, right, under the government of India. So what is the full form of Poshan? PM's overarching scheme for holistic nourishment. Sorry, it's not nutrition here, it is nourishment. Next, malnutrition, stunted growth, anemia, and low birth weight. I have written something in this flowery diagrams, right? So this shows to what it address, what this scheme is, what is the main topic it is addressing, right? And who are the beneficiaries I've written here for children, adults and girls, women, also pregnant women and lactating mothers. Here you can see the whole diagram. It shows the goals of Poshan Abhiyan. It is like prevention and reduction of stunting in children, that is of age group 0 to 6 years. Then prevention and reduction of undernutrition. This is again in the age group of 0 to 6 years. Then reducing low birth weight in infants and children. It also aims at reducing anemia in young children, that is, in the age group of 6 to 59 months. And it also aims at reduction in anemia in women and adults and girls, that is, in the age group of 15 to 49 years. So, as soon as you see this diagram, you can make a quick revision or you can present this diagram as it is in your answer writing also, mains answer writing in UPSC or any state PSCs. And also I've written here pillars of Poshan Abhiyan, ICDS CAS, that is Integrated Child Development Scheme, common application software. Here you can write here as in a broad technology. Okay, under technology, again you can mention this ICDS, yes, common application software. Then convergence, CAP, that is convergence action planning. So for this portion Abhiyan, we need planning in different levels, right? State, district, taluk, and then block levels. And also we need cooperation and coordination of different departments. It's not possible only for women and child development. We also need water, sanitation, health and hygiene, rural development. So many departments will involve here. That's why the main pillars of this National Nutrition Mission or Poshan Abhiyan is convergence action planning. Then we have studied the Jan Andolan and Jan Bhagidari, right? It is to create awareness, that is behavioral change individually as well as in the community level. Again, capacity building, that is maybe Anganwadi workers or their superiors, like training and capacity building is the one of the main component of this NNM. So this is how you have to make notes. That is, this is you can use mind maps or flowcharts or any other diagrams for this representation, guys. It's according to your convenience. You have to do this. Okay. So when you are presenting this, you should know it very, precisely. When you want to present it, you should know each and every concept in it. When you understand the concept properly, you can present it in this way. Okay, so is it time consuming? Definitely not. See, for representing this data on paper, I just took like 2 to 3 minutes because of practice. So if you keep on practicing, definitely it will be helpful for you even to write easy answers and effective answers in mains also, trust me. So here you can see that properly, right? This Poshan Abhiyan goals. This diagram you can directly present in your mains exam. This thing, if you want. And this will be, the other one will be for your quick revision, last minute revision. It will be very helpful. And now let us see how to present like one full answer in the exam. So if at all something is asked regarding Poshan Abhiyan or National Nutrition Mission, then you can write in this way: when it was launched, like date and all that, and the ministry or by whom it was launched and all that. This is just an example here. Then you can write what are the goals or targets of this very particular program. Then what are the aims, right? We know all the goals of this, and the main aim of this program is to reduce malnutrition in the country. And what are the goals or targets? To reduce stunting growth, low birth weight, reduce anemia in adults and girls, pregnant women, and women aged between 15 to 49 years. And so you can write the beneficiaries. Who are the beneficiaries here? Children, infants so and so age, women, lactating mothers, pregnant women, all that you can write here. And if what are the main pillars? Technology, convergence, Jan Andolan, Jan Bhagidari, okay, and capacity building, all that you can write under this pillars. Then if at all, if you know any outcome, if not this program, any other program, definitely there will be some few outcomes or something, so that you can write here. After presenting this, hardly it will take like 2 to 3 minutes or just 2 minutes for writing this. You're just using few words and simple diagrams to present here, right? So guys, trust me, if you're writing answers this way, it will definitely fetch you good marks, especially in your mains answers. And it's not only for people who are writing mains or something, like any exam you write, your academics or anything, this presentation will definitely fetch you more marks. And coming to mind maps, they will definitely help you for daily revision, and also most helpful for your last minute revision. And you can also use flowcharts, which will definitely help you for hierarchy and all the relationships. Say in economics, history, if you have to remember the hierarchies, you can use flowcharts. And for geography schemes, or any other topics related to polity or something, you can do mind maps, or you can just present in this form, okay, using simple diagrams, squares, stars, anything, triangles, any diagram you can use, and you can present the data. This is the most effective way of presenting data, and this also will help you to make notes for quick revision on daily basis. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. If you have any such ideas or techniques, please do comment below. And also, if you like this video and if you like my presentation of writing notes or making writing answers, just hit a like button, and also comment in the video on which topics you need notes or videos. Okay, thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.